sir, this is our performance task in statistics and probability.
Suppose there are 58, 42, 62, and 50 of the sample of the population. To get the mean of the population, just simply add all the numbers and divide it to the sample size, which is 4. The result of it is equals to 53.
So the mean of the population is 53.
To get the variance of the population, just simply minus the sample to the mean of the population. 42 minus 53 is equals to 11. 11 squared is equals to 121. 50 minus 3 is equals to 50 minus 53 is equals to negative 3. Negative 3 squared is equals to 9. 50 minus 53 is equals to 5. 5 squared is equals to 25. 62 minus 53 is equals to 9. 9 squared is equals to 81. To get this 263, just simply add all the result of sample minus the mean squared is equals to 263. To get the variance of the population, this is the solution to get the variance of the population. 236 divided by 4 is equals to 59.
So the variance of population is 59. So there are 6 possible samples of size 2 that can be drawn.
This is the possible sample of size 2 that can be drawn. 42 and 50 and its corresponding mean. 42 and 50 is the mean is 46. 42 and 58, the mean is 50. 42 and 60, the mean is 52. 50 and 58, the mean is 54. 50 and 62, the mean is 56. 58 and 62, the mean is 60. So, this is the sample mean. 46, 50, 52, 54, 56, and 60. This is the probability of the sample mean. Probability means it is how many times the number showed up. So, the mean or the probability of 46 is 1. The probability of 50 is 1. The probability of 52 is 1. The probability of 54 is 1. The probability of 56 is 1. And the probability of 60 is 1. This is the mean times the probability. The mean times the probability is equals to 1 over 6. 1 over 6, 1 over 6, 1 out of 6, 1 out of 6, 1 out of 6, and also 1 out of 6.
And the total of the probability total is 6 and 1.0.
Go. To get the mean of the sampling distribution of the sample mean, just simply multiply the sample mean by the corresponding probability. So, this is the sample mean. 46, 50, 52, 54, 56, and 60. This is the probability. 1 out of 6, 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 and 1 out of 6. So, the product of the sample mean and the probability is 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, and 10.
The total mean is 1.0 and 53. So the mean of the sampling distribution of the mean is 53.
To compute the variance of the sampling distribution of the sample mean, just simply subtract the population mean from each sample mean. So, this is the result. Square and square the difference. Negative 7 squared is equals to 49. Negative 3 squared is equals to 9. Negative 1 squared is equals to 1. Negative 1 times 1 squared is equals to 1. 3 squared is equals to 9. 7 squared is equals to 49. Then multiply the result by the corresponding probability. So the result is 8.17, 1.5, 0.17, 0.17, 1.5, and 8.17.
And the total mean is 1.0 and 19.68.
This is the solution to get the variance of the sampling distribution of the mean. So the result is 19.68.
So the variance of the sampling distribution is 0.75.
That's all.
Thank
Thank you.
you.